Hi, I'm Kim. Welcome to this introductory video into the world of PowerShell. In this video I'm going to go through the cmdlets that you've got available and getting help on how to use them along with examples then. Okay, so if we start off with the get cmdlet, there's get-command. Okay, and this has brought back all of the cmdlets available to us. So we can see there's a couple there: start process, start service. So the layout of the cmdlet is always in a verb-noun format. So the verb there is start and the noun is process, and the verb here is start and the noun is service. So if I wanted to just retrieve the cmdlets relating to a service, I can do this by specifying that I'm only going to search the noun part, so the right hand part of the cmdlet. So I'll just bring my screen down a bit. Okay, so if we arrow up to run the previous command, get command, and then specify noun, service. Okay, so that's brought back all of the cmdlets where service is the noun. So we can see we've got get service, new service, set service, and so on. So if I wanted to, I can also use wildcards to search through the cmdlets. And if I tab up again, so this time we'll search the verb part, so the first part of the cmdlet. So you specify verb. And I want to get all of the verbs where they start with a G. So I put G and then star and run that. There we go. So I've got a full list there. It's mainly get commands. Let's have a look in here. You can see there's get service. So I'm going to run the get service command, and that is that a new command. Bring my screen down a bit so you can see it. Okay, before I do that though, I'm going to find out a bit more information about this get service command, like what I need to input into PowerShell to get it to work. So a cool feature to do that is the get help cmdlet. So you type get help and get service, so the cmdlet that you want help on. Okay, so we can see I've got a synopsis. So this gets the services on the local or remote computer, and then it's got the syntax then of how I can run it. So you can specify the name, computer name, dependent services, and use them to bring back what service you needed. You can even exclude and include depending on what you put in the string columns. Okay, so if I start off first of all, sorry, pause the video then in error. So just bring the screen down. If I run the get service command on its own, okay, so as I expected, it's brought back all of the services available on my local machine. And just scroll back up to the top. Okay, so we can see it's got a property, status, name, and display name. So in the examples above, we saw you could specify the name then. So if I come back down, so after looking at the help and you're still not sure how to run the one-liner, you can ask for examples. So I'll just arrow up again. So get help, get service, and examples. Sorry, my typing skills. Examples. Example. And that's brought me back a list of examples now. So if we scroll back up to the top. So the first one there, get service, which I've already run, and that brought me back all of the services on my system, as it says there in the description. If we look at example 3, it's got get service where the display name has network in it, so that will bring back all of the services where network is in there. Okay, so if I just want to bring back the service for ALG, So have up again, get service and name ALG. Okay, so that's just brought me back the properties for the ALG service then. So I'll show you another useful function of the get help. If you type online, so it's get help, get service and online. Okay, so that's taken me through to MSDN now, where same as before when I just did the get help, the get help and the cmdlet, it gave me the synopsis and the syntax, and there's a bit more information here then. Okay, so I think that's it for this session. If I show you to clear your screen, so you can either type clear or CLS. So you probably noticed these are not in the format that we've just been looking at, so the verb-noun, and that's because these are aliases. So I'll be covering aliases in my next video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed and found this helpful. Thank you.